Hello! I finally got money from my sugar granny to upgrade from my old Lumix G7 to this new Sony ZV-E10 Mirrorless Camera, so I can film higher quality videos for my TechScrew Home channel. Today I'm unboxing the Sony ZV-E10 body-only version and showing you what comes in the box. My first surprise was that there's no charger included. You have to use one of your existing phone chargers, but a nice bonus is the included dead cat wind muff. After using this camera for about a month, I will make a full review. If you have any questions while watching this unboxing, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also, use the video chapters to skip to the section you are most interested in.